All right, today I'm going to show you how to install a typical smoke alarm for a wired system in a house. You don't have to have a specific smoke alarm that matches your current smoke alarm. They're pretty generic. One of the more common ones that I've seen is this FireX Kidde smoke alarm. It's found at Home Depot, also on Amazon down in the links below. But it's just a generic smoke alarm that's set up to be wired into an existing system. Now it comes with, this is the contractor pack. Comes 4 to a pack, but you can also just buy an individual pack. And inside you'll find your smoke alarm that has a little piece to remove so that it engages the battery and it can start working. And then on the back here, there's a clip that's allowed to be wired into the ceiling, although this is already, more than likely your house already has this clip in place depending on when it was built. And then lastly is the base plate. And this base plate is really simple. It connects up to this and then spins on and locks. And we'll do that on the ceiling as well. Okay, so the existing smoke alarm's already been removed. It just spun off and popped down. The old base plate is up there. More than likely you'll remove this, put the new one on. You don't have to have a fancy screwdriver, just a little regular one's fine. We'll just spin these. These are standard sized plugs, right? Or for a standard receptacle that's already on a ceiling. Base plate just pops right off and is out. You don't have to take the screws all the way out. The wiring should already be up here and existing. More than likely it came with your old one. You may require a converter. If you do, or if you are not okay with this wiring, you pull this down and you can unscrew the existing wiring. So if you look here, this is, so each one you have a white, a black, and a red. You can unscrew the cap off of this one, pull it out, put the new piece in place, and screw that cap back on. That'll allow the new one to come in. Make sure power's off while you're doing this so you don't shock yourself. Luckily mine is already in place and I already have the existing plug on that we're going to be using. Okay, here's the new base plate. This new base plate, you're going to have your wiring come right through the middle. You'll hook the base plate up so that it matches the screw holes. Again, those are standard. And then you're going to twist those clockwise so that you can have your old one and your new one, or your as you screw the new piece on, it doesn't spin backwards. So this guy is on. It's been spun into place where the screws go in. And then we'll just tighten these down. Again, nothing fancy here, just tighten them up a bit. That one, that's it. All right, now looking at the back side of this, we already have the matching plug. It should fit right in, and there we go. It's been connected now, it locked into place. You heard it light up. It has power, it connected with all the other ones throughout the house. It doesn't have to do that, it doesn't have to make a noise, but it may. You can remove the battery now, here. Okay, this piece right here will spin right onto that, and we have a good working smoke alarm. We can push it to show you that it works. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe below, and I'll see you next time.